Hello students, today we are going to discuss chapter number 2, Introduction to Windows 7. As in this session we will be discussing about how to create folders on the desktop. We have seen earlier about what are files and folders. So what does a folder mean? Folder means it is a type of container where we store different types of files. So let us now understand about how to create folders on the desktop. So here this is the video. Here pay attention about, here we'll be seeing about how to create the folders on the desktop. So here you can see this is the blank desktop area. Okay, so this is known as the menu of your Windows. So as you can see over here where the cursor is pointing is known as the folder. So like that type of folder will be creating folder over here. So here just right click on your screen in the blank area. Okay, so here you can see in the right hand side there is the blank area. So once when we do right click, then this is the menu option which we are getting. So here you can see new option. When you click on new, then you can sorry, in the left hand side you can see folder. Just click on this folder. So you can see over here a new folder is created with a folder name new folder. So this is how you can create a new folder on the desktop. So this is about all your creating folder on the desktop. So this is how you can create a new folder on the desktop. Okay, so once when you right click on the blank area on the desktop, then a menu option will appear. From that menu option you have to choose new, and when you click on this new, then you will be getting another option that is known as folder and many other things. From that option you have to choose folder. So when you click on that folder option, then a new folder is generated on the desktop. Okay, so this is how you can create a new folder on the desktop. Coming to the next one, selecting files and folders. If you want to apply certain functions on one or more folders, then you need to first select it. Okay, so if you want to apply certain functions, that means when you want a particular music file to be played, then you need to select it. If you do not select it, then it will not be opened. Okay, so to apply certain function you need to select it. Okay, so for example, if you want to open a certain folder, for example here a folder name is new folder, and if you want to open that new folder, then you need to select it. Without selecting, it will not open. Okay, so therefore we need to select the folder which we want to work. For example, a music folder is displayed on the desktop, and unless and until you not select it, it will not be opened. Now let us see the video about how a person or individual can select a folder or file to work in it. Okay, so just follow this video so that you can understand about what is the use of selecting a file or a folder. So you can see here, when I'm selecting this any of the file, then it is being highlighted with a square box. So when it is highlighted with a square box, then means it is selected. Okay, you can see over here, when I'm clicking over a certain file or a folder, then it is being highlighted with a blue box, then this is selected. Okay, so when you select a box and you right click on it, then open option is available. Along with open option, there are many other options available, so we just need to work with open. Okay, so you can see when we click on the folder, then open option is being displayed. You have to click on open to open that type of folder or a file. So you can see over here, we have opened this folder, and when this folder is open, inside that folder there are many other folders. So by this you can work on the folder. That means when you open a certain folder, then the elements inside that folder will be visible to you. Okay, so you can see when I'm clicking the folder, it is being highlighted with a blue box. This blue box indicates that the folder has been selected. Okay, Just follow this video about how it is being selected over here. So you can see over here all the folders are selected at the same time. Okay, so you have seen over here how you can select a particular file or folder or a drive. Without selecting that folder or drive, we cannot work on it. So you have seen over here, when we are clicking over this any of the drives over here, local disk C or D or E, if we click on it, then it will not work. When we click on it and we select the open option, then only it will be opening, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so therefore we need to click on that, and once it is being clicked, then it is being selected. Okay, unless and until your folder is not selected, the folder will not be opening. Okay, so this is why we need to select a folder to work on it. For example, you are having a certain music file in your system. The music file is being displayed as it is, but it is not playing. So why it is not playing? It is not playing because you have not selected it and you have not opened it. Once you select and click on the open option, then only it will start playing, otherwise it will not start because it does not get the command to work. Okay, so this is what is the use of your selecting file and folders. So I hope you all are clear about how this selecting files and folder works. So we'll be discussing rest of the topics in the next class. Till then, thank you.